How to change region on Steam. So in order to change your region on Steam, what you're gonna have to do is simply make a purchase using a payment method from that region. So as you can see here, I found this post from the official Steam support, and as you can see, if you have moved to a new place or are living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country setting when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that region. If your location differs from your current Steam account store country setting, you'll have an option to change your store region while you view your cart or as you complete your purchase. So after you go to Steam and let's say you want to buy a game and you want to change also the region of your Steam account. So simply choose what do you want to buy and then simply add this product to the cart. Now, when you go to the checkout page where you're gonna have to choose the payment method, you're gonna have to simply choose a payment method from or the region you want to change to your Steam account. So as you can see, you're gonna look something similar to this. So you're gonna have this update store country after you use a payment method from a different region. So as you can see, moving from Germany to the United States. So let's say you've recently moved from Germany to the United States. When checking out, you'll be able to select the country in which you are currently located on the cart page. From this page, you can select the United States to update your cart, pricing, and payment method options. After completing your purchase with a payment method from the United States, your account country will be updated to the United States. So basically that's how you can change your region on Steam. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.